Welcome guys to this Uchiha-Blender's channel. Today, we are going to make this abundant boodle with only a single texture, but the result also amazing. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel to help me with the YouTube algorithm, because I will make every simple tutorial to help you on your workflow. Let's just start with the modeling process. Here I'm starting with cylinder as a base shape of the bottle, but you can use anything that you like to start with. Then I'm playing with the extrude and scale to make its shape fit the reference image. Now, for a little bit detail for upper part, let's just select the faces and press Shift+E to extrude alone normals. Add subdivision modifier to it and make it smoother and much better. You can play with shapes, tweak, and make it looks good as what we wanted to. For the bottle cap, we also use cylinder with vertices count to 16, so we can scale it and make it fit inside this upper part of the bottle. In this texturing section, we're going to use a single image that I have downloaded from Google. I used this texture to connect into base color of Principled BSDF shader, and the result was amazing. Add an environment texture to see your model clearly below the sunlight, like this. Take generated output from texture coordinate and connect into vector input from mapping node. And for the image texture node, switch from flat option into box and increase the blend value to 1. Add a color ramp node under the converter and take the color output from the same image texture into color input from color ramp and tweak the black and white value for the roughness of the glass bottle. And now you just need to tweak the roughness, color, and just experimenting the value until everything matched what we wanted to. For the bottle cap, I also used the image texture for the color. I changed the color of the texture by using color ramp into the image texture and give it a little bit light brown color, and the other one is darker brown color like this. For the bump, I still use the same texture to connect into bump node under the vector and connect the normal into the normal of Principled BSDF node. Now for the bottle sticker, I'm using some dirty sticker texture that I have downloaded from the internet. You can use any sticker texture that you want, but keep in mind that we are going to make it dirty as the bottle. First of all, select the faces we are going to put sticker on and duplicate that faces, separate into individual object and add the sticker texture to it. After everything is done, let's set the camera for the render. Here is the final render result. If you guys love this video, please support me for YouTube algorithm by subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm going to make another simple tutorial to help you guys in your workflow.